Hey guys, this is Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share my skincare routine and I have been receiving this video request from quite a long time. So in today's video, I'm going to show how I pamper my skin from morning to night before sleeping. And even before starting content creation, I used to take care of my skin, but after this YouTube thing, I'm putting on makeup like really frequently. So these days, I'm more particular with my skincare routine and I feel I have good skin, touch wood. And I also believe that good skin has a lot to do with the pampering routine, somewhere genetics, also the way you eat, the things you eat. Yes, it is an extremely crucial part. But in today's video, I'm going to show how I exactly pamper my skin. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, in the morning when I wake up, I start my day with washing my face, which I think everyone does. And for the morning face wash, I never do that with only water because रात को सोते वक्त we tend to have a lot of oil and dirt deposition around the nose and the cheeks. So the face wash that I use is Pond's Pure White Anti-Pollution Face Wash, which has activated charcoal, and I have been using it from a very long time. मेरा favorite face wash है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा foaming है. Now the right way to use face wash, now the right way to wash your face is to rub around the areas जहाँ पे ज़्यादा pores होते हैं, and I spend around 45 seconds to 1 minute for washing my face, and that too in a circular motion. And one thing that I make sure कि skin को ऊपर की तरफ push करना होता है face wash के वक्त. Mostly हम face wash करते वक्त skin को नीचे की तरफ push करते हैं, which is an absolute wrong way. Now after washing my face, I apply moisturizer, just a bit of my favorite moisturizer, Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer, which is my favorite. Just a bit of it is enough for the entire day. और उसके बाद अगर दिन भर में कभी मेकअप भी अप्लाई करती हूँ शूट के वक्त, तो it's quite convenient to apply makeup without being tense about the skin damage. And once in a week, I apply scrub on my face. Scrubbing is a very crucial thing to remove dirt and blackheads and dead skin cells. And obviously, we can't scrub every day because skin का natural oil भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. And if you're scrubbing every day, तो आपकी skin में बहुत ज़्यादा problem हो सकती है. So the scrub that I use is Himalaya Purifying Neem Scrub, or sometimes Biotin Tan Removal Scrub, depending on the dirt and forehead accumulation. So first of all, I take a clean towel या कोई सा भी cotton cloth साफ सुथरा सा, and I dip it in hot water bowl और उससे थोड़ा सा face wet कर लेती हूँ so that my pores get open and blackheads थोड़ा soft हो जाते हैं, तो उसको remove करना बहुत आसान होता है. And after that, I take scrub and I gently scrub on my face and make sure that you're not going very harsh on your skin, and don't go very close to your eyes or don't rub very harshly on your apple of the cheeks क्योंकि वो एरिया बहुत ज़्यादा soft और sensitive होता है. So while scrubbing, make sure कि आप अपने forehead पे scrub कर रहे हो and around the lips क्योंकि ये area थोड़ा सा dark होता है. And I scrub for around 4 to 5 minutes and then I leave it for 30 seconds. And उसके बाद I wash my face with chilled water to provide a bit of relaxation to my pores. And then I massage my face and neck with aloe vera gel, and the aloe vera gel that I use is Patanjali Saundarya, and this I think is very affordable and good for skin. And after massaging thoroughly with fingers in circular motion, I wipe it off using cotton balls. And after that, I apply just a bit of moisturizer, the Nivea Light Moisturizer again. And at night before sleeping, I wash my face again, no matter how busy I am. या shoot करते करते कितनी भी late क्यों ना हो, I do that like every day. And first of all, I remove my makeup if there's any, and then I wash my face with the same Pond's Anti-Pollution with activated charcoal wala face wash. And then I dab my face with a clean towel. And also, after washing my face, I use this L'Oreal Paris Micro Essence Serum. Just 2 to 3 drops of it is enough, and I start it with the forehead, then cheeks and chin, and this is my current favorite. And I'm not saying that because I've worked with L'Oreal once, but it's that I genuinely love this product. And after that, to pack the serum, I use this Cetaphil Moisturizer. This is just perfect. It's an ultra hydrating lotion and just perfect for face and skin, and I think everyone should try it once at least. And that's where my skincare routine is done for the day. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you all found this helpful, and I'll mention the links to each and every product that I use in the description box. You can check it out from there. And बहुत ही basic सा skincare routine था. I think you all can absolutely try it out. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up and comment down your video request future videos के लिए. बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. Please comment down and please subscribe to this channel. I प्यार you guys. Bye bye.